Because if you ever watch old episodes of SNL, there's a disclaimer right at the beginning where it explains to the audience, hey, this was a different time. They're going to say things that today might freak you out. And I feel that way every time I dip into some. Even this one, I had to scrub a little bit.
It's that time of year again. No, I'm not talking about my annual nude run through the Arizona desert. Watch out for those cacti. Of course I'm talking about baseball's spring training, when the crack of the bat brings me back to a simpler time, when a man could wear a fedora, a wide purple lapel and pencil-thin mustache, without people thinking he's on his way to a Gone with the Wind costume party. Yes, this time of year, hope springs eternal. You dust off that old leathery mitt with that great musty smell and toss the hardball around, reliving the great moment from the past. Suddenly you're back at Yankee Stadium or Ebbets Field and running like Jackie Robinson.
What was that first word there?
Suddenly you're back at Yankee Stadium or Ebbets Field and running like Jackie Robinson or making that over-the-shoulder catch like Willie Mays. You see, baseball used to be a simple game played by simple men. Men who were happy to have a candy bar named after them. As a former Red Sox fan, I still can't eat a Baby Ruth bar. Of course, that might have something to do with that Caddyshack movie. Oh, that Ted Knight could really make me chuckle. Yes, a simple game for simple times. But today, everyone's in such a hurry. Pitchers come in for one out. Runners come in for one base and batters for one swing. Oh, if they'd only let me get in for one at bat, the stories I'd be able to tell the next time I go down to the old Floridito and sit in Hemingway chair.
Oh,
I miss him.
Yeah, Mike, give him a call during the break. See if we bring him out of mothballs live on air. Just see how he's doing. Wake him up. Wake up the fake Frank Deford and just don't tell him anything, Mike. Don't tell him anything other than we need you. We need you. And Dan's not giving you any prep.